A paradigm shift for the local banking industry, each making the move to downsize. But what's driving the change? Well, our Carla Palmer did some investigating, and here's the first in a series of reports.
When asked why some banks might be downsizing or right-sizing and closing branches, most customers do not seem to know. They don't even have a clue.
I have no idea. I have no idea. I'm still trying to figure that out now. They said that it was closing, but they didn't say why.
That's shocking me, because I normally stop this area. If I in this area, I'd stop here. But other than that, it was shocking to me.
The Palmdale branch of First Caribbean is the latest banking institution here in New Providence closing its doors. Its last day of operations was August 31st.
I have no idea why they are closing, and I've been getting informed too that I should get an online account to do banking, but I haven't did that as yet because I didn't find a need to.
Although you may be oblivious to the facts, it may surprise you to know that as a customer, you are the reason for the changes taking place. And that's according to Governor of the Central Bank, Mr. John Roll.
It is being driven by the changes in customer behaviors and pattern. Some of those behaviors are being incentivized by the banks, but in general, we have access to more online means of doing banking transactions, making payments and receiving payments, and that has a natural reducing impact on some of the traffic that's being experienced. And so for the banks, from an efficiency point of view, it becomes necessary to reduce the branch network.
Simply put, less people are going into the banks, substantiated by financial trends, which suggests that more of you prefer using your digital devices to conduct your financial transactions from your desktop at work or home, or your laptop from any location, still at your own pace and comfort.
I can assure you that the adjustment that we've been seeing in the branch network for banks in the Bahamas is a process that is more than a decade long in terms of the reduction in the branch footprint. What I think is the complexity is that there isn't that perfect turnover switch in terms of when you decide that the amount of traffic that's happening in branch is not at the level to justify a branch standing on its own, and that's what's happened in many cases. And it's as I said, it's happening also because the institutions are striving to be more efficient in their operations.
With a reported mission to be more efficient in their operations, as the banking regulator, Governor Roll, says, he's cognizant that not everyone is technologically savvy, but he is committed to facilitating public education through financial literacy campaigns. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Carla Palmer.